Hello everybody. In this demonstration, I will show you how AI test automation can significantly improve, creation of test, reduce maintenance, and of course improve release velocity by using natural language-based prompts for your assertions as well as different test tasks. But in this demo, we'll focus mainly on how the integration works. So I'll start with by creating a project. So let me go to Manage Project and add a new project. I'll just call it a demo project and maybe select a color so to differentiate and save and continue. So once that is done, I can click on this and it gives me the screen, but our job is to go to AI test automation, which is here, which is a new menu option. So I'll click on AI test automation and you see I'm now prompted to enter the test environment and the test environment URL so that I can continue my testing. I'll just call it staging environment, paste it here and create the environment. So now once the environment is created, what I will do is I will create a test. This is very simple. So let me, it's a new project. So now test exists and I'll just show you how quickly we can create a test. This is a simple test that will test out a deposit workflow in this particular environment. So once this is available, let me, as you know, we can, as we work with the interact with the app, all the tests gets recorded. So I entered the username, I entered the password, click on sign in. So I'm on this particular page. Let me just write an assertion. Am I on the dashboard? Am I on the home page? And the assertion sort of takes a couple of seconds to run. You can see when the assertion is running, what progress the Copilot has done, and it says yes, it is on the home page. Now let's quickly do our deposit and check my checking account. Let's deposit $1,000 and apply and submit. So let's say this is my deposit test and it's very quickly, recorded and executed. Let's save it and run it. So it takes few seconds to do the post processing for this test that we just created, and once the test is created we will see that it will get a run will be starting. So as this is running, we will see that this is the test. Now when you have a bunch of tests, you can actually create a test suite. So let me switch over to a new existing project where I have created all these tests and I have added them, well, at least added one of them to a test suite here. So you can see this is the test suite and it has the same deposit test that I have. So now my job or my goal for this demo is to show you how you're going to execute this test suite through the CD from a pipeline in CD. So what we will do, we'll go to continuous delivery and we will select to pipeline. This is my test pipeline that I've already created, and I will select deploy to QA. So we will add a step. Click on add step. From here, we will search for AI test automation. Select this step. Select the application. This was the application. Then select staging, and then the test suite that I showed you. And once this is done, click on apply changes, save it, and then run it. So once you click on run, you'll see that this stage starts running and we can see them in the console, and this is the test suite is getting triggered. This is about takes about a minute to start queue and basically to get queued and execute. If we wait for about a minute, you will see that this is getting executed. I can go back to the scene to the same screen and see. So it says that it has started executing. You will see it once it starts executing, it's a very fast process. So you can see that this is the same deposit test that I had recorded, and it will work very fast. So it's done. So basically, once this test is done, we can go back and see that this is 1 out of 1 is passed, and in the next polling. In the next poll, you will see that the test suite is complete, and then the pipeline will also finish. So at this point, if I go to the pipeline status, the pipeline is all set. So you can see everything is marked completely. So this is what we have built. I hope this would be very useful.